Well, hello all my fluid art friends, it's Doris at DF Designs. I am doing a Christmas tree as a freeform type of geode tonight, except it won't have the hole in the middle like a geode does. And here it is, the mold for the Christmas tree. Oops, wait a minute, let me get it over here. See, let me turn it this way. And I just wanted to show you, wait a minute, I gotta put that over here. I just wanted to show you how you can use silly putty to make these molds. This is just a shape printed out on paper, and then, oh, do I have a piece handy to show you? No, I don't. No, shoot. This is just clear acetate. I'll show you the roll tonight on the live. Now, I was playing around with this, and there's no way I'm going to get this detail, so I'm just going to make this a circle. Although I guess I could just, wait a minute, let me see if that'll work. All I did with the silly putty was roll it till it got soft and it's in a small roll. Now, all I'm doing is placing it down on the line, and then I'm going to bend it, okay? And then I'm going to press it down to follow the line. You got to press it down to make it stick. I'm not going to do the hole, but I'm going to do, or the hanger part, but I'm going to make it, hopefully make it look like an ornament. These circles are roughly, a little under 4 inches across. I thought they'd be cute as coasters. Now all I'm doing is pushing it down, and then at the same time I'm kind of flattening the inside edge to give it a vertical, kind of like a little wall. And this silly putty, I've had it in a bag for 2 years, because my very first video was making a wreath with this, and that was in December of 2018. And as a matter of fact, I put it out on Christmas Eve, and it was because somebody wanted to see it and see how I use silly putty, and my channel was born. Okay, now all I'm doing is I'm breaking it off right here. Now all I'm going to do is push these together. I'm not going to worry, I'm not even going to try to make the hanger. It's going to kind of look like a pumpkin shape, but when it's in different colors, I think it's going to look like an ornament. Okay, then all you got to do is you just go around, you kind of squeeze it together as you're pushing it down. Now you never want to pour into these deeper than 1/4 inch unless you're using an actual casting resin, which I won't be tonight. You don't need to worry about what the outside edge looks like. You need to just worry about what the inside edge looks like. Okay, there we go. So join me tonight at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time while I fill these with resin. And these will all be done, but I want to put this up real quick so you can see. Let me bring this up. Sorry that it's a little blown out, but you can see it's just silly putty. Don't have the container handy. I just got it in a bag. This stuff lasts forever. It does. It's so funny. So join me tonight, 6 p.m. Central, and I will fill these with resin. You're not going to see what they're going to look like after. I won't be able to demold them for about a week, but I might do that on my next live. next week Tuesday. So join me tonight, December 1st, 6 p.m. Central Time. And all I can say is, bye for now.